Children, do you know all the names of the body parts?
Yes.
But not all of them.
Can you teach us, please?
Of course, repeat after us.
Touch your head.
Head.
Touch your hair,
Hair.
Your ears.
Ear.
your eyes,
Eyes.
Move your eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Eyebrows.
touch your nose,
Nose.
Show me your mouth.
Mouth.
show me your teeth,
Teeth.
Stick your tongue.
Tongue.
where is your neck,
Neck.
Shake your shoulders.
Shoulders.
show me your fingers,
Fingers.
Clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
shake your arms,
Arms.
Touch your stomach.
Stomach.
shake your legs,
Legs.
Touch your feet.
Feet.
good job. Yes, it's break time. Alibek, are you taller than me?
Let's check.
Imanur, can you check who's taller?
Alihan is taller than Alibek, but I'm the tallest. I'll be taller when I grow up. Check out my new haircut.
It looks really cute.
My sister has long hair. She studies at 9A grade.
What's her name?
Her name is Altunay. I think I know her. Does she have red hair? No, she has dark hair.
Does she have green eyes?
No, she has brown eyes.
Look, I have golden eyes.
Cool.
Oh, I can draw a rabbit.
Hey, Alibek. Oh, my sister Altunay is coming.
What are you doing?
Can you help us to draw a rabbit?
Oh, yes, of course.
Oh, what a nice big rabbit.
What is this?
These are the ears, these are the legs, these are the hands, and this is the nose.
Cool. I hope I will be good at drawing someday.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and
a beautiful day it is. You look happy. Yes, I got a good grade on my physics exam. It was so difficult.
Good for you. My literature exam was easy today. We learned short poems only.
How was your chemistry exam?
Don't ask, it was so depressing.
Why?
I was shocked at some of the questions, they were horrifying.
Well, better luck next time.
Thanks, I need to study more.
I also need to study. The weather is too nice. It's warm, so I want to spend some time outside.
Don't be upset, the day is long. Let's study a little bit, then we can go outside.
Yes, we can also have hot tea and sandwiches. Great idea. Let's continue studying.
Okay.
Body, body. Head, head. Hair, hair. Ear, ear. Eye, eye. Eyebrow, eyebrow. Nose, nose. Mouth, mouth. Teeth, teeth. Tongue, tongue. Neck, neck. Shoulder, shoulder. Arm, arm. Hand, hand. Finger, finger. Stomach, stomach. Leg, leg. Feet, feet. Happy, happy. Beautiful, beautiful. Good, good. Difficult, difficult. Easy, easy. Hot, hot. Delicious, delicious.